Lose the weight, keep the youth. You have seen the posts of celebrities losing weight in a very short time. Everyone in the comments is going crazy about the fat loss injections. Yes, they are GLP injections, the weight loss tool that the internet cannot stop talking about. And in this episode of NutriDigest, I'm going to tell you everything about them. The part that's working, the parts nobody's warning you about, and why the same injection gives two people completely different results. Wait, is your weight actually your fault? Before we talk about the injections, I need to ask you something. Have you ever done everything right? Counted calories, gymmed, cut sugar, slept on time, but the weight seemed hard to lose or keeps coming back? Here's what most experts don't tell you. For a lot of people, it is the biology, not really the lack of discipline or laziness. There is a hormone your gut produces after you eat. It's called GLP-1, whose job is to tell your brain, okay, we are full now, stop eating. In some people, the signal is too weak or it disappears too fast. And so the brain never really gets that message and you keep eating. Soon this becomes a habit, you're normal, and then food noise takes over. Have you heard the term food noise? Food noise, the thing nobody names. Food noise is that constant mental chatter. Should I eat this? I shouldn't. But I want to. Maybe just a little? Okay, I ate it. Oh no, I shouldn't have. This thought loop on repeat. For some people, it's occasional. For others, it doesn't stop. Over time, it drives your emotional eating pattern. That compound weight gain which disrupt your metabolism, eventually leading to, clinically speaking, obesity. All because one hormonal signal that was disrupted, and this is a problem that GLP helps with. So what does GLP actually do? GLP treatment works by extending the satiety signal, the one your body was producing but not holding long enough. It slows digestion, it acts on the hunger center in your brain, and it creates a sustained feeling of fullness. The food noise quietens. And for many people, for the first time, eating mindfully actually becomes possible. Simply because their body finally got the signal. Research shows this leads to up to 22% reduction in the body fat. And this is not a small number. The part nobody is talking about. Now, here's where it gets important. You have probably seen this too. Someone does GLP, loses a lot of weight, but looks way older for their age. The face hollows out, the skin loosens, and hair disappears. They just went from one problem to another. And then there are people who lose the same amount of weight and look 10 years younger, more alive, more energetic. Same medication, completely different results. Why? Because GLP suppresses your appetite dramatically. Your body is suddenly receiving far less of everything it needs. Less protein, fewer micronutrients, less of what your skin, hair, and muscle depend on. Without active intervention, muscle mass drops. Collagen production slows. Hair enters a resting phase and sheds. The structural fat in your face, the kind that keeps you looking full and youthful, disappears. And what is left is the face that aged faster than the body lost weight. This is not a side effect of GLP. This is a predictable outcome of unsupervised GLP, the Oliva difference, expert-assisted GLP+. At Oliva, we built a program around this exact problem. We call it the Youth Shift GLP Plus program. The goal isn't just to lose weight, but to also protect your muscle, keep your skin and hair healthy while you appear fit and healthy. So how do we achieve that? We start with a full medical evaluation before anything begins. Body composition tracking every 15 days. Beyond the weight, we also look at fat versus muscle so we know exactly what you're losing. A nutritionist guided protein focused meal plan that adapts as your body adjusts to the medication. A skin and hair care plan because appetite suppression affects both, and structured expert monitoring dosing because the right dose isn't the same for everyone. The program moves through 4 phases: adjustment, active fat loss, protecting your skin, hair elasticity, and finally building the habits that prevent the weight from coming back. Because here's the thing about weight gain that nobody likes to say. If the only thing you add is the medication, when you stop the medication, the weight comes back. The lifestyle you build alongside is what maintains your healthy self, your window. Think of GLP Plus as a window, a real physiological window where your hunger quietens and doing the right thing finally becomes possible. At Oliva, before a single injection is considered, we look at your metabolic profile, your hormonal picture, and your nutritional starting point, because you are not here just to be lighter on the scale. You are here to function better, have more energy, and show up stronger for yourself and for the people in your life. The link to book a consultation is in the description.